There was a young boy whose job was to watch over the village sheep. One day he was bored and wanted some fun, so he shouted, "Wolf, wolf!" The villagers came running to help, only to find the boy laughing at them because there was no wolf. The next day he did it again, and the villagers were angry. Later, a real wolf came and started attacking the sheep. The boy cried, "Wolf, wolf!" but this time no one believed him, and the wolf ran off with some sheep. So, my dear friends, moral of the story is, if you keep lying, no one will trust you, even when you are telling the truth.